So number one thing you'll be told to convert R is equals to 6 tan theta sec theta to Cartesian form, isn't it? So to convert a polar form to Cartesian form, you simply need to know the relationship between R theta and xy, isn't it? So from trigonometry, we actually found that x is simply R cos theta, isn't it? And we also found that y is R sin theta, isn't it? And we also found that R squared is x squared plus y squared, isn't it? Are we together? So it means from here to here, you can also see if you make cos theta and sin theta the subject, because those are the things we'll be substituting, isn't it? So it means from here, if x is R cos theta, then that simply implies that cos theta is x over R, isn't it? If y is R sin theta, then that simply implies that sin theta is y over R. Then from there you can get tan theta, isn't it? What is tan theta? Y over x. We found that tan theta to be y over x. So that theta is tan inverse of y over x, isn't it? Or tan theta is simply sin theta over cos theta. You still get y over x, isn't it? So from there, we can now use this relationship to convert that given equation into Cartesian form. So if you are given R to be equals to 6 tan theta sec theta, you start. Here we have R is equals to 6. What is tan theta? Tan theta we found is y over x. Are you seeing that? Then you substitute what is sec theta. Sec is the reciprocal of cos, isn't it? Meaning if cos theta is x over R, then sec theta is R over x, isn't it? Are you seeing that? Sec theta is R over x, the reciprocal of cos. Are we together? So if you simplify this, you get R cancels with R, isn't it? So we have R is equals to 6y R over x squared. So R cancels with R, then you end up with 6y is equals to, if you multiply both sides by x squared, you see, R will cancel out with R, x squared goes with that, you remain with x squared is equals to, x squared is equals to 6y, and you've converted that given polar equation into Cartesian form. So you can see that that is an equation of a parabola, isn't it? That is an equation of a parabola. Y is 1 over 6x squared. It is a parabola which looks like this. Are you seeing that? From the origin. That is how that parabola is coming. Y is equals to 1 over 6x squared. That is how, if you make y the subject of the formula, because if you look for the square root on both sides, you get x is equals to square root of 6y, isn't it? Meaning y value, for you to get a square root of y value, y can never be negative. So you can see all y values are positive. Are you seeing it? Y can never be. Are you seeing how to identify that? Because if you look for the square root of both sides, you get x is square root of 6y. Meaning square root of a negative number will be complex, so that cannot work, isn't it? So y must always be positive. So it means all the y values are positive. It is coming upwards. Are we together there? Good.